Guys, so 2021 is just around the corner, and I just wanted to show you how I jazz up these planners. So I'm making some for my coworkers because we need a planner every day, and these are just basic happy planners. I got them on the Black Friday sale when they were half off, and I just wanted to add a little bit more personalization, like when we have their names in the front, maybe some fun tabs, a couple of cute bookmarkers, some Post-its, and just like really have fun with it. So these are some of the cute Amazon planner finds that I got at those cute little kitty pens that are 0.5 millimeter. That was just like right perfect for you. I've got repositional tabs, so that if they wanted to make a tab, and then they could Sharpie on, you know, whatever they want on there, or put a label. These like cute pen loops, oh, so cute. Adhesive pockets in multi-sizes, and some note paper, because happy planners don't really come with any note paper, and this one comes in 4 colors. So I thought I would like split it up amongst the 3 planners. So that I'm gonna be adding. And I also got these happy planner rings discs on Amazon in a bunch of colors, and I'm only gonna use 1 stack, or I might use 1 in every color. We'll see. Okay, so this is one of my favorite images from the planner press, and I printed it happy planner size, and literally I just did it on regular paper. And then on the other side, I printed these, oh gosh, are these plumerias? I think they're plumerias. And on my printer, I just printed 16 to a page, so it would somewhat look like a pattern, so that I would have like a backside, because I hate it when there is like a plain white sheet on the back. And of course, I cut these out, and these are like some like leftover holo image holo scraps, so I printed that, and I thought I would put my name and just kind of decorate these on here. So that's going to be the cover of my happy planner. All right, and then I made some bookmarkers on my silhouette, and these I didn't even use vinyl. I mean, I just used scrapbook paper, you know, in those packs at Michael's. And then I usually for work, I only need like a place for like to mark like the day and then notes. So I just made it really simple. So I just have 2 top tabs, and I am just going to laminate this, make it like really, really simple. And then I still had another hibiscus flower, so I'm also gonna put that on there somehow. And I don't think I need a transfer for this. Yes, I'm still working with these nails. Nothing has changed. Cool. And oops, I'm gonna put that like in here. Yeah. So also I have my little hibiscus flower there, and then I'm just gonna laminate that. So I decided to go with multicolored rings. So I'm doing pink, yellow, and purple. And we will see what that looks like on. I think my theme will always be forever tropical. There's no way around it. All right, I've got my rings on, and now I'm just going to play with the pockets. So here is where I have like all of the plumerias on the back, and I am just going to put a pocket here, and Maybe some single pockets over here. Here and here. And I'll put a big pocket right here. All right, and then now to decorate this, I'm just going to load these pockets up. Some cute stuff. Nail struggles, guys. Some tabs. Post-its. There we go. Like that. And I think I'm going to put my pen loop here, and I'm going to commit to that being right here. Right about there. Go. All right, put another pocket here and make this cute. Got some purples going on here. Just gonna customize this to fit. The rest of this pocket for something else, because as crafters we are total hoarders. I think I'm gonna put something like that there. Oh, I love the way that looks. Right, in my note section, I actually like the way that looks. Oh. And then I can use the other half of this pocket, since this is a little more skinny and I don't want to cover my hibiscus here. I'll do something kind of like that. And throw that in there. Works. And for the back, that's my notes. And these are the passwords. I think I'm gonna put like a really fun, cute background in the back. And so what I decided to do was sprinkle some glitter and more confetti and put that in the back. I may put like a blue background behind here, or like an orange one, or a metallic, and then load that up with Post-its as well. Okay, so I ended up going with this kind of aqua looking holographic vinyl to back out this confetti. I think it turned out so cute. And I have my little pen bag, which I believe is from Target. My friend Nikita got this for me, so I still use it. So if you're watching this, you can see that I am still using it. And I might as well go into like my favorite pens while I'm here. So I have my mini TWSBI. I have my, this is an Eco TWSBI. They're both in the fine point. Then who doesn't want to have a gem pen? Well, you know, not a gem pen, but one of those jewel pens, because sometimes you need a basic ballpoint pen. My highlighter. And this I bought from the Art, Wine, and Jazz Festival in my local town. And this guy carved this. I don't know how he did that, but I just thought that was beautiful. And this guy, because I really like doing modern calligraphy, and this pen works great for that. I feel like I need to like swatch these for everybody. So this is my mini TWSBI, and usually I don't let people borrow my pens because, you know, anything about a TWSBI, it twists up, so any wrong move, you can twist out all of the ink. And this You can see it's not black. It's kind of like a sienna color. And this is from those Iroshizuku inks. And this one is called Yuyaki. So beautiful. And swatch this one. And this is a purple ink. And this one is also from them, and this is called, I'm not going to try to hack that name up, but it's a beautiful purple. So that way I don't have to mess with cartridges. This pen, I just love how it does like a really fine kind of like a calligraphy pen. So it has like a really interesting edge. Either you hate it or you love it. And these are just ballpoint pens. I don't really feel like I need to swatch these, but yeah, sometimes like when you're writing like on carbon paper, you need like those types of pens, and everybody has these pens, which you can get on Amazon. Actually writes pretty nice. Okay, so next up is this planner, and I thought this one would actually look really good with the black rings. And my friend just loves very simple, clean lines, and she loves black. So I actually put her name here on the front. I cut this out on my silhouette, and this is from the Digital Dash. And I think that that would be so cute as a cover. That already looks so freaking cute. And I put like a neutral leopard here on the back. Okay, so that turned out super cute. Then I decided to make this the back cover, which is also from the Planner Press. And then I added like these little strips of holo. This was like some leftover vinyl, you know, when you cut an image out and then I just cut like ½ an inch there. So that's going to be the back cover, which I think is so cute, just to give it a little pop of something. So that's the back cover. That's the front. And then I'm going to put the bougie pen loop. I love calling it that. And I think I'll put it maybe like right here on the Today bookmark. Yeah. All right, so that pen loop looks adorable there. I'm gonna put an adhesive pocket here, and then I will just sneak in like a little journaling card. Again, I didn't even print this on cardstock. I literally just printed it on paper. So now that just gives it a little bit more interest there. Okay, so here is it finished, all decorated. Really, really simple. I just put like a journaling card here. I put a little bit of holographic foil on there, that clear Heidi Swapp foil. I wrote her name in like modern calligraphy. I took a class, so I just put her three letters of her first name there. I didn't really do anything to the Happy Planner. I mean, it's great. And then here is a second bookmarker with the pocket. I put black Post-its because they are so much fun. I put a little bit of like gold foil on some marble scrapbook paper just to kind of give it like that really pretty layer. So this is going to be for notes. And then here's another scrapbook sheet. And I put one of the reusable tabs. This is for passwords, and this is from Annie Plans Printables because here at work we have a million passwords. And then I just did a back cover. This is also from the Planner Press cover. And then I had like a clear little Notions bag that I put together that has a jewel pen, because who does not need a jewel pen? And then I have a gold jelly roll pen for the black Post-its, a cute coffee paper clip, and then just some planner stickers. And that is going to be my assistant's planner for next year. All right, so let me move on to the next one. And I pretty much did exactly what I did to the other planner, but I just used different colors. Here I cut out 2021 on my cutter and stuck that here. And these are literally just letters from Michael's, which I stuck there and then laminated over, put the pen loop in the front. So cute. These are planner press images. I cut her name and I used this in the background, put that in a pocket. More pockets. I'm telling you, pockets are the way to go. And then I put a couple more images there. In my today pocket, I put her sign, cute little Starbucks cup, and this image. And in this one, I put 2 different colored Post-its, some planner tabs. Again, I have the notes. Here, I threw some iridescent confetti and laminated it, and put another reusable tab, and that's pretty much it. The back cover, I just cut out some lashes because we all work in the makeup store, so I like to have little makeup themes all throughout the planner. I also did end up putting a little sticker pocket in the back here so I could put some planner stickers. And for this, I also made a notions pouch. So I had some leftover vinyl stars, and this little pouch I got at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it went good with this planner. Here I have black Post-its, lavender highlighter, another kitty pen but in a periwinkle color, and these G2 pens that are so perfect, and Daiso paper clips. So love that together. Oh, great. I think that is going to be such a cute gift. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.